Hi, just a series of very short tips. First one's a bit unusual because I'm not exactly a supporter of multinational companies, but I think you've got to give credit where credit's due, and DJI Care is, I think, a must. I've got a Phantom which has gone through numerous replacements when they didn't have to, and this arrived this morning. It's a Mavic Mini. Again, about the third time. I've probably run out of them now. I gave them a picture of a battery, which was not very good. A new one, unopened. I did open this earlier on, about 10 minutes ago. And what they've done is, rather than repair, for a fee I think of 60 Australian dollars, gave me a new remote. The pins had come out. Brand new. They, rather than fix again the aircraft, they've given me a new aircraft. Rather unusually, they put the old props on, but the aircraft is brand new. As I said, I'm not one for lauding big multinational companies, but DJI Care, they've been absolutely fantastic. It's not very much, do it.